In the next 2 minutes, we have major news. Everyone seeing this? Prior to the major news, price bouncing and this critical key Alpha Fibonacci support on every single chart. Timing is off. Entering the trade before major news is one of the most aggressive things you can ever do. This is critical key support in front of you. Conservative trader, intelligent trader knows the news that impacts your instrument. Major news, double major news in 2 minutes. Response at this support this morning is crucial, critical. Again, doesn't matter what chart you trade, this is a key. The only good thing that will play out this morning, spectacular buying at this level. And you know all of this hours and days in advance. To the upside, this is the problem. Software running on my chart and tells you clearly what causing the problem to the upside. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. We've been struggling at this bounce for the last 15 minutes since the open. This is a critical key moment in the markets, traders. This is crucial. Here we go. Panic, major news, price bouncing. Are you clear on this lesson? Are you? The danger of entering trade into the major news? Only after the news, never into the news. But how beautifully price bounced from this level is a stunning reminder. 80% of your trade is done before you ever place a trade with Alpha Fibonacci system. That's it. Absolutely no shorts. We discussed this well before market open. And that's where bounce came from. And that's the danger of entering into the major news. So here's the software after major news. When signal plays out after major news and price moving to the upside, you're very well prepared. This is critical key target. Single double lot size completely out. If you're trading more than double lot sizes, you're taking some profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break even. This is key. Response at this level will define markets for days to come. Again, we remain firmly bullish. There was no other option. There is only one problem before major news. So when the price is struggling this much, no one is surprised. Talks between McCarthy and Bison are on. This is what defines extremely aggressive trading. Again, I project the software on 1 minute chart. Trades play out on multiple other charts. Price moving one step at a time. This is a problem to the upside. There is nothing else. Trader who gambles and speculates will never make money. Knowing your entry, your stop and target is the key. But this is a danger of major news. This is the importance of entering after the news, not into major news. With the power of the bold green line, you're extremely clear. And we'll discuss all of this with students after the close of the trading room. That's it. No speculation, no gambling, ultimate precision during extremely aggressive event. So no matter what plays out during that talks, no matter what McCarthy and Biden says, you're extremely clear, price at the bold green zone, and you're extremely clear on the importance of this level. Ultimate, precise, Alpha Fibonacci chess. And the reason why students, my dearest friends for life, all you have to do, make an effort. Again, We discussed well before market open. There is only one good option before market open. No matter what Yellen says, if US running out of cash, how is it possible? Alpha Fibonacci system overriding Yellen's statement. Only bullish market. Only critical key target. And if price will skyrocket, you're trailing carefully outside of which level. You are not a gambler. You're using your brilliant limitless brain. And if price collapses completely, it's a stunning reminder. Only when you trade with the rules, with Alpha Fibonacci system, you're protecting your profits. You understand the importance of this level. So wow, shocker, Yellen says we run out of cash, but we remain bullish? Alpha Fibonacci system overriding all the noise, all the hype. If trading on the news worked, everybody would be Bill Gates. It doesn't. We knew all of this before market open. Key moment in front of you. This is reversal zone to the tick projected on 1 minute chart. Again, scale out, adjust your trail. But if you're trading Bitcoin, you knew this months in advance. No matter what Mayor of Miami says, no matter what Tom Brady hype during Super Bowl, Bitcoin reached Alpha Fibonacci reversals on October 21. Tom Brady and Kevin O'Leary can afford to lose billions and millions of dollars hyping Bitcoin. We remain firm. Do not buy Bitcoin. But again, it's playing out in front of you to the tick. I promise you this never gets old. This is Alpha Fibonacci Symphony. Every time I play my piano, every time I work with Ron on my book, I'm reminded nothing in this life is random. Life is formed by Fibonacci. Market preset. Only if you play by the rules. The skies are the limit. But not everyone meant to be day trader. Anyone can trade system long term. Retrace on S&P instant 5 points. Bitcoin sell off 70%. On Bitcoin you can spend hours and days and weeks to make a decision, and you know all of this far in advance. But you also knew far in advance where to buy Bitcoin from. And you also understand 26,000 lifeline on Bitcoin now. It's out, Bitcoin and free fall. Where Bitcoin reversed from is no surprise. Plays out in front of you right now. Wow, identical level is on Bitcoin? Of course. Identical level is on US dollar? Of course. It's all the same. Identical. Sell off on US dollar months and years in advance as on S&P in front of you right now. 4192 is crucial critical key to the downside. This is software for Ninja Trader 8. This never gets old. So if you're signing up for the course right now, the smartest thing you have ever done. In the next few months, I will start teaching less as I have so much more work to do. With every strategy I develop, it becomes only more powerful, more precise, and more simple. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system for all platforms, you will never need anything else, ever. This is ultimate precision in very dangerous markets. It never gets old, I promise. When I bring to your attention Tesla, did we know or did we know where Tesla would reverse from? Of course. Retired oncologist trading only Tesla, doing just fine. So what you will decide to trade is absolutely your choice. Tomorrow in the trading room, we will be focusing on oil. Oil news is a major event. War or not, crash on oil is spectacular. Despite the war, buying oil randomly because of the war is not a brilliant move, and you knew this months in advance. This is where it's intelligent move to buy oil from. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. And again, it's in front of you to the tick. Identical reversal zone with software for Ninja Trader 8 to day trade futures. This is system for all platforms. You can trade on Thinkorswim, you can trade on TradeStation, you can trade on Sierra Charts, Interactive Brokers, MT4, MT5, any platform you choose. If it has Fibonacci Retracement tool and platform has pure price, which every platform does, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci System on. So if S&P collapsing again as Bitcoin have done, you knew this far in advance. You're witnessing it to the tick. But what you will decide to trade is absolutely your personal choice. So when the student paying cash for his house, this is the ultimate gift. Can trading very different instruments, trading crypto. But again and again and again, every trader trades different instruments, trade different platforms. Emergency room doctor trading Bitcoin, trading metals, trading stocks. But healthcare executive trading part-time when time allows. Bringing friends to the course. Thank you, Carlton, for introducing Patrick and other friends. If these traders can do it, so can you. What is stopping you? Simplicity is a crucial, critical, key part of your success. When 14-year-old boy can trade, anyone can. He was simply bored during lockdown, and he has done this in a couple of weeks. But Dominic's father moving multi-million-dollar positions in retirement accounts. Choice is yours. What you want to trade? Dow futures, S&P, Bitcoin, crypto metals? Absolutely. This is ultimate precision during brutal, nasty, dangerous market conditions. Price remains in the green zone. News-driven events. Absolutely no shorts, only longs. But price struggling at reversal zone. There is nothing else. This is your critical, precise entry. Stop and target. That's it. You don't have to delay and wait for hours, days, weeks, and months to see precision on stocks, to see precision on Forex. You're witnessing in the trading room instantly. So when I work with hedge fund traders, institutional traders, they sign up instantly for the course. For beginner trader, of course, these are your targets. Of course, this is your entry. Of course, this is your stop. But the word RZ means reversal zone. There is nothing else, only this. Being a follower and day trading is the most dangerous thing you can ever do. Knowledge is a crucial key part. This is what you witness in the trading room without any delays. In the course, you learn the rules. You learn how to trade proprietary predictive institutional Alpha Fibonacci system on all instruments, always software for Ninja Trader 8. So if you're joining us, it's the smartest thing you have ever done. View the movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute on our homepage and choose from option appropriate for you. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. It's all in front of you every single day. Listen to students' podcasts, waiting lists of students to do more and more podcasts. View students' performance. If these traders can do it, so can you. And if you invite me to your wedding, do not be surprised if I come. That's it. No other website in this business shares students' performance, shares students' podcasts. It's all self-explanatory. You can find story just like yours. Choose the option appropriate for you. 4 packages available. Again, warning, in the next 2 months for sure, by the fall I will be teaching less as I have so many things I have to do. Private mentoring, one last chance to sign up, the most desirable option. I have a couple of students graduating, savings $8,000, includes video library modules, live trading room, lifetime software for Ninja 8 and lifetime system all platforms. Second option, group course savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader, course 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Software came out in 2019, system traded globally since 2011. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. This is the only option this morning. This is ultimate precision during extremely dangerous news-driven event. Again and again and again. If you will choose to apply this to stocks, to forex, to crypto, to ETFs, mutual funds, metals, commodities, instruments I never even heard of, if it has price, Alpha Fibonacci System applies. All you have to do, make an effort. If traders have done it all over the world since 2011, so can you. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning.